Hey, what's up, guys? This is Michael, and I want to show you a real estate dashboard that I built for a client. So basically, this is a way for real estate companies to track the progress of their agents and then to view it all in one individual dashboards. So a lot of real estate companies like to track metrics such as like the number of phone dials they have, the number of buyer leads that each agent has, the number of appointments set, contracts, things like that, right? But they have an issue tracking all of this in a way to hold their real estate agents accountable. So the way that I built this was each agent basically has a individual sheet that they access, right? And then it all feeds into one master sheet. So this way they can't see each other's data. So here's an example of an agent name. Let's just call him Tyler. So every week he inputs the number of phone dials that he makes, the number of buyer contacts, listing contacts, past client leads, appointment set, things like that. It's going to be whatever your company wants to track, whatever metrics are important for you guys. They chose to enter it every week. You can also do it every day if you want to. So what happens is each agent has a sheet just like this, and they only have access to theirs. And once they input the data, all of the data is going to feed into this master sheet. And it's all going to automatically feed into this dashboard where the manager can just look at it and then understand what's going on with each of their agents. So for example, if I go back to the agent sheet, this is where they put in all the metrics that they're tracking. And then over here, there's also a goals tab. So for each of these metrics, they set a monthly goal. So 361 for October, November, 500 for December. The number of appointments they want every month is 9.2, and so forth, right? So when you do that, it's all going to feed into this dashboard where they can track it's going to add everything up. It's going to add all the goals and all the leads and everything, and it's going to show the manager exactly how much of the goal that they have hit. So for this date range from January 2019 to September 2019, they have 14,000 leads, which is only 45% of their goal. The appointment set is 61%. Appointment executed is 24%, things like that, right? But their offers and listing close have all hit the goal. You can also change the month range that you want to see up in the top left. And then if you scroll down, there's going to be a table that's broken out by month that shows the number of total leads for all the agents combined for each month, each appointment set. Everything that you want to track is here. And then you're going to there's going to be a few graphs when you scroll down so they can kind of more easily see what's going on. So they can see this broken out by month and see exactly they can see visually kind of their funnel of how much is going on. So they have a lot of buyer leads, then slightly less appointments, then a lot less actual appointments executed, things like that. And then if you scroll down, there's more tables of totals. And then all the way down, you'll see a section where they have all of their metrics by month and then relative to their goal. So they can see here, their best months was probably April and July, and they almost hit their goals for some of these metrics. And then for some of these metrics, they have surpassed their goals. So this way, the manager can easily see which months they're doing well and which months that where they really slowed down. And then in the next tab here, there's a by agent tab. I've deleted a lot of the data and then changed it with fake information, so it's not exactly accurate. But here they can see by agent for the month of May exactly which metric each agent is leading at. So they can see here that Jordan has 317 actual connects out of the goal of 361. So they can easily just look at it and see which agents are doing well and which agents are not doing that well. And then similar to that on the individual agents, they also have their own dashboard where they can track their own metrics. So this is helpful for agents to kind of stay motivated and just kind of understand how they're doing each month. So this is a really great way for like a mid-sized real estate company to kind of just gauge, just kind of track performance, and then have an easy way to see everything. As opposed to before, this company was literally spending hours per week just kind of adding up this data adding up this data over here, like each week they would have to check, and then it would just be too much work to add up everything for each agent. It would take literally hours. So this way we just build it once, and then the agents can just go through it, and all the data is going to automatically feed into it. So if you want something similar like this built for your company, just contact me. I'm going to leave my emails, my contact information in the description below. So let me know if there's anything else that you want to see. Thank you.